members of the European Parliament. I stand before you today on behalf of the people of Aceh, a nation rich in natural resources, culture, and history, yet deprived of true justice under the rule of Indonesia. For decades, Aceh's wealth has been exploited, our rights ignored, and our voices silenced. We are not here to ask for charity. We are here to demand a fundamental democratic right, the right to self-determination, a right enshrined in the United Nations Charter and international law. The people of Aceh deserve the opportunity to decide their own future through a peaceful and internationally supervised referendum. We call upon the European Union to stand with justice, to stand with democracy, and to stand with the people of Aceh. Thank you.